Okay. Hey guys. I'm recording from inside my book bag. Not my book bag, but my book bag I bring with me when I do some parkour. So I can do this again. Sorry. It's raining pretty bad. I just wiped my eye with a wet bag. Let's call it bag. It's wet outside. As you can probably see, it's really wet. Dunkin' Donuts over there. Walking home. So yeah. I don't know if this is doing much for the protection of my camera, because my hand's still getting wet. I don't know if my camera is. Because, yeah, well, it's home. And I think it's starting to hail, because I got hit in the shoulder or something earlier, and it was not rain. Trust me, it wasn't rain. Let's see if I can do this. Walking home. I'll try to record this from inside my bag. You are inside my bag right now. You must feel special or something. Green stuff. More green stuff. Shit ton of green stuff. Just a lot of green stuff. Lightning. Lots of green and machinery. It's not even really a machine, it's just holy shit. Oh my god. That was amazing. Tube. Again, to my friends out there, I'm not going to say this every single time, but I know I look really stupid. I'm going to be posting these every once in a while. I'm going to have 5 videos, because I have another one stored on here right now. I'm going to upload that. Get home. Home's right over there, not there, there. So yeah. You guys must feel privileged to be inside my bag. Because not many things have been, not many people have been inside my bag. You must feel privileged or something. I am going to get an HD PVR soon, by the way, everyone. Hooray. Record some video. I still need to get a microphone of some sort. I don't think my X11s will do it to record my voice. Yeah. I'll be making a setup video across the street. My house. Nice. Getting back in the bag. So yeah. Probably before I get an HDP. See you guys later. Lone Wolf here, signing off.